Hey guys, Coach Sam here from Underdog Hoops. So in today's video, we are going to be going over the 30 game playbook, as well as the 15 player stat book. So the 15 player stat book and the 30 game stat book are the same things. They just have the 30 game stat book has 12 players, and the 15 player stat book has obviously 15. So we're going to go over that right now. Let me just get into it and we will get started. So in this uh, book, you're going to get basically 2 consistent pages. You're going to have 30 of these in each book. Basically, what you're going to do, before you go to your game and have you want to be filling out this, the warm-ups. So what do you want to do in warm-ups? Um, and obviously anything can change. It's the game. You want to fill out your starting lineup and your bench, and then make sure that you have everyone. Um, and then you want to, gather information. So what are they going to run, or what do you know from past experience? What do they run? If you don't know that, you can leave it blank. Uh, if you do, or if you've previously scouted them, then you can write what you were scouting, and you can also write with their offense and basically offense and defense. You can write with their scouting. You can basically pinpoint a player that you need to keep an eye on, and then that's what I did right here. Um, Basically, what's your offense and defensive strategy? So what are you going to do to stop them from getting to the basket or stuff like that? So that's simple stuff right there. So, and then at the end of the game, you're going to write, you know we won, but we still basically what I did in this, we won, but we still had a lot of turnovers, and that's basically what you can write, or whatever you want to do, um, kind of a reflection. And then maybe you add some notes, say, okay, we kept number one out, like at bay, but number 3 was able to get to the basket way too much. So that's kind of what I put. And then you can you'll write the date right here, the time that you had your game, the team, and then if you were home or away, or a setting. So um, and then you write if you won or lost, and then the score right here. So very simple right there. So basically in the next one, it's sideways, but you guys would get the gist. You're going to be taking your stats, and it's going to be very simple. Uh, you have your turnovers right here, your assists, your steals, your rebounds, your blocks, free throws, threes, and twos. And then you can total up your points right here. And, if you have 12 players, I would recommend the 30 game stat book. And if you have 15, I'd recommend you get the 15 player stat book, because this is important for you guys to have, to take stats, and then at the end of the game, or at halftime, you total them up and you fill them in this slot. And then at the end of the game, you just total up everything that you've taken. So you total up everything, whereas this is just halftime, and then this is the whole game. So you want to total that up, and then basically at the end of your season, there is a spot at the end of the book where you guys can fill out your total stats, so you can have a compiled all your stats into one area. So that's basically it. I hope you guys go look at it. It's available on Amazon, both of them, both books. Our They are $9.99 on Amazon in the US. So if you guys like that, go ahead and go grab one. They're very useful, and I made it because I was just tired of losing the stats after the game, and it's a great tool to prepare you for the game, to kind of give you an understanding of what you're looking for, and then you have a manager or a uh, person on the team that is not playing that game, or a coach. They can do the stats for you, and you can kind of go through them at the end of the year, and it's a very easy way to do that. And then you can keep track of them throughout the years and see if you guys have been improving or not. So with that said, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys do want to go purchase that on Amazon, I will leave a link in the description below, and you guys could do that, and it'll be under the Amazon. It's an affiliate link, so I get a commission if you guys buy it from me. So, um, and it also is my book, so I get a small portion of what that book sells for. So I hope you guys do enjoy that video, and please like and subscribe if you have not already, and I'll see you guys on the next video.